What's up, guys? We're back.
We got Jimmy here. He's doing a little bit of fabricating today. We're going to put this winch on our car hauling trailer, and that's pretty much what he's doing. He's got his holes punched, and he's about to do a little bit of drilling.
We got to mark out 4 more holes.
4 more holes. I think we're going to do bolts on the outside as well, with
probably 1.5 inches in from the edge.
Yeah, pretty close to the edge, but along with these, just for some extra. I'll show you where it's going to go on the trailer. We got our old winch off. He's already got a line scribed out here, and should work out pretty good.
I might go. You think I'll go a little more?
Yeah, it wouldn't hurt. So as you can see, this piece here doesn't quite fit. You can see the bolt hole. I hope you could see, but I think our plan is we're just going to weld it onto this C channel.
It'll be fine.
Yeah, I mean, if worst come to worst, we can cut it off and change whatever we need
That
to.
I don't even have to cut all the way out, because I can cut it down. I'll make a mark right through here.
Yeah.
And I'll just
cut it.
I'll cut it a little lower. And then this also needs to be offset a little bit. That way the roller ain't, this pin's not sitting on the trailer.
It's almost long enough. This angle's almost big enough we could just bolt it up. But hopefully this old Badland winch here will serve us well. Before this, I had a little 3,500 pound foiler winch on there. It worked, but it struggled. Alright, here's the plate, guys. We got it notched out right here for the cable to come through. We're putting a light coat of paint on it, try to prevent it from rusting. George don't know what she's doing, but anyways. So Jimmy here, he's got the holes. He's got the holes punched out for this thing. I don't know if you'll be able to see in the camera, but won't be long. We'll be cinching her up.
Yep. Won't be long.
What do you think, Debo? This is our dog Debo. He does nothing but lay around, and
He's laid around and slept all damn day ever since we've been back.
he definitely knows how to sleep and mess with possums. Did you get a good paint job on it? Oh man, that's beautiful. That is beautiful.
That'll work.
Thank you, George.
Welcome.
You did a good job. All right, guys. It's a few days later, but we're still on the trailer update here. We're in the process of putting this box on it. We've got the winch bolted down. We got this piece welded on. We just welded it on this side, and the other side we just got a weld right there, but it should work. Jimmy's in the process of cutting the jack off.
It's about ready to come off.
Yep, the plan is we're going to cut this jack, we're going to move it forward and hopefully still use it, because that box comes out to like right here, and there's no way we
Yeah, it comes up to right there. Right to the edge.
Anyways, I'll pick back up and we'll see how it looks when we get it off there and get the box mounted. Alright guys, we got this trailer pretty well done. As you can see, we got the box mounted. We just used a U-bolt in the front and a U-bolt in the back. Got the cables laid in here. We did have to trim the jack so it would clear when we tilt it, but as you can see, it all clears. That's pretty well going to do it for the trailer update. I think George has something she wants to show you guys.
So I have a Minecraft doll, and I want to explain it to you before I show it. But basically, I just noticed that the hair can come off, but its arms move, its heads move, and its legs move. And you can also take it in the bath. It floats. And yes, I did take a bath today, but yes, I'll show it to you. As you can see, I'm going to make my Minecraft character just like her, and I'm going to get her a buddy. And in the next video, I might show her buddy if I ever get another one. Okay, tell them thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.
And subscribe if they like what they see.
And subscribe if they like what you see.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's going to do it for this one. I think me and old Jimmy here, we're about to call it a night, huh Jimmy?
Yeah, we're going to move some stuff around, get the car then before the storm.
Yeah, they say it's going to storm, so we're gonna clean up the shop a little bit, get a couple of vehicles in here, maybe keep them out of the storm. Thanks for watching, guys.